So basically, this is a car evaporator, a part of the air conditioning system. When you take a look at this evaporator, you will notice a sign of leakage, and that's a sign of bad evaporator. It's a critical problem that directly impacts the vehicle comfort and air conditioning reliability. While it's a challenging and costly repair, regular AC maintenance like cleaning the filters and checking the leaks can help you prevent premature failure. If you suspect any bad evaporator, addressing it promptly will save you from further damage and inconveniences. Thanks for watching. Don't mention.